Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by launching the AWS RDS console in the correct region and locating the DB instance. Make sure your IAM role has snapshot and describe permissions, otherwise the action will fail. Once done, note the exact DB instance identifier and choose a clear snapshot name and tags so you can find it later. You're initiating the actionable step now. Select the instance to snapshot rather than configuring backups or retention. We'll create the manual image immediately. You'll take the snapshot now. Click Actions and choose Take Snapshot, or run Oz RDS Create DB Snapshot with the instance identifier and snapshot ID. If your instance uses encryption, make sure the correct KMS key is specified so the snapshot inherits encryption, otherwise the create call will error. After submission, monitor the snapshot status in Events and Snapshots. It moves from pending to creating to available. If you need automation, you can tag and export metadata right away for cataloging. You finish by verifying the snapshot reached available status. Only then restore or copy it. If restoring, choose a new DB identifier and adjust instance class, subnet group, and parameter group as required. If sharing or cross-region copying, use snapshot copy and ensure KMS keys and permissions allow access. If something goes wrong, check 3 likely causes: insufficient IAM permissions, KMS key policy blocking use, or hitting storage/account limits. Fix the policy or limits, then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.